An advantage of using standard form is it actually makes the calculations between numbers in standard form relatively straightforward. So in the first example here, we just need to calculate the following. We've got something times 10 to the 6 times something times 10 to the 4. And if we wanted to work this out, we could actually just multiply the two numbers together. So we've got 2.5 times 3. So that's something we can do in our head. So that's going to be 3, 6, 7.5. So it's 7.5. And then when we're multiplying numbers together, written in standard form, we're just going to add these two things together. So we're going to add 10 to the 6 to 10 to the 4, which is going to be 10 to the 10. So we can actually do this calculation of two massive numbers just in our head. The next one, we're going to do the same kind of format. So we're going to multiply 6.30 by 1.10. I guess I could work that out because that would be 6.30 plus 0.63, which would be 6.96. And then we've got 10 to the 4 times 10 to the minus 2. Now we're just going to add the two numbers together like we did before. So you've got 4 add minus 2 is going to be plus 2. So this is times 10 to the 2. The last one we can also do in our head, I suppose. But now we've got 5.6 divided by 2.0. So that's just going to be equal to 2.8 times 10 to the something. But now because we're dividing 10 to the 4 by 10 to the minus 2, that's the same as multiplying by 10 to the 2. So what we'd be doing is actually taking this number away from that. So 4 minus 2 would be 4 plus 2, which is 6. So this would then be 10 to the 6. So there we go, 3 relatively straightforward examples about what we can do if we are multiplying numbers in standard form, where we just add the two things together, or if we are dividing, then we're going to take this number away from that number there. Does that make sense? Hopefully it does. But you're going to have lots and lots of practice. Pretty much every question you're going to be doing now for the next 2 years in A-level physics will involve at some point some standard form within that question, and you're going to get super quick at identifying it, doing lots of sort of calculations in your head, and also using standard form on your calculators. And of course, if you'd like to find out more about standard form or any of the other maths topics that come up in A-level physics, I've got a whole maths mini course that you can find over at alevelphysicsonline.com. By the way, this is just one of many videos I've made covering all of the maths that you need to understand for A-level physics. It's part of the mini course, which includes many more topic videos, multiple worked examples, and also a guide that you can download. You can find all of this over at alevelphysicsonline.com.